everyone, welcome to my channel SGM Creations and Tutorial. Here is an Easter eggs in a basket. This is my new project. Look at here. This is just a very simple project. All you need is fresh eggs and a nail polish and a metallic glitters. This one is a fresh egg painted with a nail polish and sprinkle it with the glitters. Look at here. And the holder of the eggs is bottle caps of the mineral water. I have here a golden color. This one is a flower type. This one is a polka dots. You can create any design and just paint it by the nail polish. And this is a melon design. And this one is a diamond type blue color. So this is a very easy project. I hope you get an idea on how to create and decorate an Easter eggs for the Easter Sunday. This nail polish is not toxic because this is only a nail polish you painted in the outer part of the shell of the eggs. Then you can display only for 1 day and 2 days. Then you can use the eggs. You can cook the eggs as normal and it is still fresh. So coming up next, the video tutorial. So don't miss to watch it so that you can see on how I decorate these Easter eggs. So thank you for watching, and I wish everyone a happy Easter and enjoy the Easter holidays. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel SGM Creations and Tutorial so that you will be updated with all my projects and you will learn on how to create different projects. I am uploading my videos every single day, so keep watching and try to create the same project same as I have created here. I did this channel just to share my ideas so that you can also get an idea and learn many things from me. This one is a heart design here. Melon design, and this one is polka dots. So that's it, and see you again in my next video tutorials. Bye. Ciao.